Good morning, students. Students, today we have a quick recall of chapter 3 Understanding Quadrilateral, class 8. Okay, so our first topic is polygon, which is very important also. So, what is polygon? A polygon is a closed figure that is made up of line segment. Okay, so what is a polygon? A polygon is a closed figure and that must be made up of a line segment. Polygon, closed figure made up of line segments. Line segment. Now, can you think that what is the minimum number of line segment that is required for making a closed polygon? Can a polygon made up of one line segment? Obviously not. Can a polygon made up of two line segment? No. Now can a polygon made up of three line segment? Yes, and that is a triangle. So a triangle can be called as the smallest polygon also. Okay, just okay. So minimum three sided, minimum three sides are required now. So minimum three sides required, that is triangle, that is triangle. So a triangle also can be called as a smallest polygon. Okay, so three sided polygon is triangle, four sided polygon is quadrilateral, five sided polygon is pentagon, and six sided is hexagon, seven sided is heptagon, eight sided is octagon, nine sided nonagon, 10 sided decagon. Okay, so keep this in your mind. This question can be asked with what is the name of polygon made up of 7 line segment, what is the name of polygon made up of 8 line segment. This can be the questions. Now next topic is convex polygon and concave polygon. So sir, what is convex polygon? Simply all interior angles must be less than 180 degree. And sir, what is concave polygon? A concave polygon, at least one angle must be greater than 180 degree. Okay, just have a look. Convex polygon, each interior each interior angle must be less than 180 degree. That is known as the convex polygon. Like hexagon, pentagon, rectangle, square. Now, convex polygon, each, not each, at least one angle, one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. Sir, how this polygon can be formed? Just have a look at it. Just this diagram. This is the interior angle. This is the interior angle, and that is greater than 180 degree. This interior angle, and that is greater than 180 degree. This can be also said as reflex angle. Okay. So if there is any reflex angle in a polygon, then that polygon will be concave polygon. Now there is a very important topic. That sir, we know that four-sided closed figure, that is a quadrilateral, sum of all angle is 360 degree. Okay, you know that. and you can perform this activity in your lab, school mathematics lab also. So sir, what sum of interior angle will be in the 5-sided? What will be the sum of interior angle in the 6-sided? So for that we have a formula: sum of all interior angle of any sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180. Yes, sum of all interior angle of a polygon is given by n minus 2 into 180. Here n is the number of side of a polygon. Either that is a 12-sided polygon, either that is a 16-sided polygon, either that is a 24-sided polygon. Whatever the sides will be, you have to put at the value of n, and when you will calculate, it will simply give the sum of all interior angle. And one thing is there, which is a property of polygon, that sum of all exterior angle of any sided polygon is 360 degree. Just have an example. What can be the minimum angle of a polygon? Regular polygon, that must be. So sir, minimum sided polygon is triangle, and you know that if that is regular, then that will be surely a equilateral triangle. And what is the measure of interior angle of equilateral triangle? Sir, each angle is of 60 degree. So maximum interior angle can be possible is 60 degree. And what is the maximum exterior angle can be possible of a polygon? So sir, surely if the interior angle is 60 degree, so that will be form a straight line for exterior angle, and with using the linear pair property, you can subtract 180 minus 60 degree, and that gives 120 degree. So sir, maximum angle can possible is 120 degree. And as the number of side of a polygon increases, the value of exterior angle continuously decreases. So now talking further about the sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree. That is written here also. Sum of all exterior angle of a polygon is 360 degree of any sided. Okay. So by using this property, you can say that number of side also can be calculated. How? Number of side of a regular polygon can be given by 360 degree upon value of one exterior angle. Measure of one exterior angle. M for measure of one exterior angle. Means sir, if you want to know the number of sides, just have an example. If I am saying that the measure of one exterior angle is 90 degree, so sir, what will be the number of sides? So 360 divided by 9, that will be 4. Means sir, that is a square. Clear? Sir, now if the measure of one exterior angle is 120 degree, so beta simply you have to divide 360 by 120, that is 3. That is a triangle. Earlier I have told you. Okay, now proceeding further. Types of quadrilateral and their properties. This is very important part of this chapter. Types of quadrilateral and their properties. This is very important. So, sir, what is types of quadrilateral? Sir, firstly, quadrilateral is made up of 4 line segment. So its classification also have all types which have a 4 line segment. So firstly, we are going to have a discussion on parallelogram. Parallelogram are the figures which has opposite sides equals and parallel. And parallelogram also have a types like square, rectangle and rhombus. Okay, these all have given in your last page of understanding quadrilateral chapter. So please have a look on that and revise all this. And under quadrilateral section, one type is parallelogram, one type is kite, and one type is trapezium. One thing is there in trapezium, that only one pair of opposite side is parallel. If all sides will be parallel, then that will be a rectangle or a square. Okay, thank you. This was all about this chapter. Thank you.